Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Will You Press the Button? Dun dun dun! Yeah, this is a game where you have to decide whether you want to press the button or not. 1 minute guys, I'm just gonna go close the door. There we go, should be a bit easier now guys. Okay, so right, let's do. So, will you press the button, right? So, this is a game where it gives you something good, but it's a catch to it. So, yeah, we're not all press the button. Proposed groundbreaking theories in science and physics, they will only become accepted and praised many centuries after your death. Yeah, what's that mean? They will only become accepted and praised many centuries after your death. So it means like I do good ones, but they will only be accepted centuries after my death. Well, yeah, because eventually it would get accepted. So I'm going to press that button. See, it's loading. Right. 72 people have pressed the button while 28% did not. Yay! The button, guys. Let's play. Rate this male season. I think it was good because I'm recording. Sorry about that, guys. I was just talking to my nana there about this. So yeah, let's continue. Just stop it for a minute. So with this season next one, basically, that's a good one. I like it. Oh my god, what happened there? Let's always wait for it to load. Ooh, there we go. That makes no sense. So guys, Half-Life 3 is released, but it's only for Gentoo. What's that? What's Gentoo? What's it for? What's Gentoo? What is Gentoo? I'm gonna have to Google it. Wait, guys, just Google it. I'm gonna Google it real quick. So, what is Gentoo? What's Gentoo? 1 minute, it's just loading up here. Come on, load up now. We are waiting for you. Let's press the button, do you think? Let me just move it. Let's just press the button and see what happens. Press the button. Oh my god, what's happening? Good. Come on, load. Real quickly. You can load it. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. Come on. Come on. I only pressed it because Half-Life 3 is released, so yeah. Half-Life 3 confirmed. Yeah. Right, so you'll become fluent in your mother language and have countless job opportunities which are rewarding and easy for you to live with. but your friends and family cannot keep up with you if your use of language and find it too complex to understand. And most of the time, find themselves dumbfounded and annoyed by your mere presence. No! No! I'm not pressing that button. I will not press that button. No. No, we're never going to press that button, guys. You can do this. You can do this yourself. 3% of press the button. Yeah, 57. Yeah. Sorry about all the admins, guys. I can't take them off. I don't want. Right, here we are. When you press the button, you'll become 3 times more intelligent, but you can never be rich. Well, I don't really want to be rich. I just want to make a difference. I don't want to be rich. I just want to make a difference to the world. 3 times more intelligent, yeah, because that helps me to make a difference. So yeah, I will press the button on that. I am going to press the button. Yeah, will you press the button? Don't know why I did that, guys. I sound more squeaky in this than I do in real life, but I sound a lot deeper, by the way. So this is good. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. What time is it? Okay, it's 7 minutes. It is 7 minutes. Let's just load this up. Come on, come on. Will you 50bit.com? You can play any game in perfect virtual reality. You will experience every aspect as if it were real with no ill effects. Once you play any game this way, you can never play it again in any format. Yeah, but then couldn't you just leave the game on forever? You could just leave the game on like it's on the Xbox. You could do virtual reality, but just leave the game on forever and just like pause the game. You can, once you play any game this way, you can never play it again in any format. I don't know. I probably won't. No, I'm not. I'm probably press I will not. Even though I said you da. Now people press the button while they know. So the game will come further. That's what I thought. Okay, next one. Come on, load, da. Come on, you gotta load. We're nearly on the 9-minute mark, guys. So I think after this, when we're done this, I might stop it. You will find out how and why the universe was created, and find out if there is a God, and if there is one, you get to have a conversation with them and ask them questions. You will die 5 minutes after finding out this information. No, I will not press that button. No, I don't want to die 5 minutes after receiving this information. I do not want to die early. I don't want to die like you did like when you're like 2. Die like in 2 days. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this episode, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.